This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the mouse. Plug a USB mouse into a front port or pair a Bluetooth mouse from settings devices. Once done, make sure you are signed in. The console reads input per account. You do this now because Ps4 only accepts HID devices when active, so pairing while signed in avoids a second sign-in step. After pairing, give the system a few seconds to register hardware. You'll see cursor movement if the mouse is recognized, which confirms a successful connection. Now use the mouse to move the highlight across the home screen. The cursor mimics thumbstick motion, so you can quickly reach apps and notifications. Click with the left button to open an app or press to confirm. This behaves like the X button in most UI contexts. Use the scroll wheel to move through long lists where the Ps4 supports scrolling. If a menu doesn't accept mouse input, switch to your DualShock controller briefly. Some system dialogues still require controller buttons to proceed. To finish, fine-tune pointer speed in settings device's mouse so clicks land precisely, and make sure the device remains connected. If the cursor is laggy or disappears, unplug and repair the mouse, or switch to a wired USB connection to eliminate Bluetooth interference. Make sure system software is up to date. Updates fix HID quirks. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot the Ps4 after repairing. This often restores mouse function instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.